Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into your Microsoft account and make sure 2FA is active. Once done, verify the billing country listed on your profile and have a local payment method or a regional Xbox/Microsoft gift card available. If your Game Pass auto-renews, consider canceling before the change and let the subscription lapse to avoid currency or region conflicts. This prevents immediate charge failures and makes the switch smoother, so prepare those payment details and account info now. Next, change the Microsoft account country. Go to your account settings to edit country/region, then add a matching billing address. After that, add a local payment method or immediately redeem a region-specific gift card to validate the new country. Once the account shows the new region, sign out of your Xbox console or Windows Xbox app and sign back in. This forces services to refresh. Make sure to save receipts and double-check the billing address exactly, as the payment method requires to avoid rejections. Finally, update your Xbox system location. Setting system language and location, set the new country and restart the console so storefronts refresh. Then resubscribe to Game Pass in the new region if your old subscription didn't transfer. Expect price or catalog differences. If something goes wrong, clear the console cache, sign out and back in, and retry the payment or gift code. If errors persist, contact Microsoft support with your account and order ID. They can pinpoint region or billing mismatches and restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.